Malaysia will seek a gag order to prevent the public from discussing former PM Najib Razak's legal bid for house arrest. This follows the decision last week by the Court of Appeal, allowing Najib to challenge the government over a royal order that he says would have allowed him to serve the rest of his sentence at home. As CNA's Melissa Goh reports, discussions on this matter have raised more questions and piled more pressure on the government.
Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim's government has been under vicious attack from the opposition for allegedly concealing the existence of the royal decree with the intention to keep ex-Prime Minister Najib Razak behind bars. Now, it's tantamount to an act of treason, opposition Islamic Party PAS said, and called for Mr. Anwar to resign. Now, on Monday, the government sought to obtain a gag order to stop any public discourse on the matter. The application was met with objection from Najib's legal team.
But you know, everybody has discussed.
Yeah.
That's why I said the horses have bolted, but we not close the door.
Yeah.
And everybody have discussed.
Yeah.
The PM has discussed a lot more than everybody else.
Yeah.
Now, meanwhile, the issue over the royal addendum has threatened to divide the people. Many are confused amid the ongoing heated and often speculative debates.
The Yang di-Pertuan Agong has the power of pardon, but he exercises that within the context of a meeting of the Pardons Board. And so if documents and decisions are not made at the meeting, at a formal meeting of the Pardons Board, then you have to question whether or not these documents or these decisions are valid. The second question, whether or not a pardon can extend to describing or determining how a sentence is to be executed.
Now, the Pardons Board and the Federal Territories Minister, Zaliha Mustafa, who sits on the board, confirmed that this royal addendum was not brought up or discussed during the Pardons Board's meeting on January 29th, which was chaired by former King Sultan Abdullah 3 days before his tenure ended. Now, Prime Minister Anwar later explained that this royal addendum, dated January 29, was sent directly to the Attorney General, who then forwarded it to the National Palace. He and his cabinet ministers have all denied concealing the truth about this royal decree. Now, meanwhile, former Minister Khairi Jamaluddin, who insinuated otherwise in his podcast, is being probed by the police. Now, the High Court has set March 11th for case management with regards to Najib's judicial review application. Melissa Goh, CNA, Kuala Lumpur.